Hi YouTube. Having a sticky height adjuster knob. I'm going to show you how to get it where it turns freely. Go down here underneath, just above your deck, and you'll see this metal piece right here. What you do is spray that with some lube and it will free the knob up. Right now I have it on the lowest setting. As you can see, this right here is the bar for the lowest setting where it's set. These gears up here are slotted, as you can see, to change the heights. That's what you need to spray to make the gears more smoothly on your knob. Hope this helps you guys. Give me a like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching.